Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitVibes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view app and website activity on Mac. So app and website activity is a part of Apple's screen time feature. It's keep track of how much time you spend using different apps and websites on your Mac. Instead of guessing where your time goes each day, this feature gives you a detailed breakdown of your usage. You can see your total screen time, view app categories, check how long you have used individual apps, and even monitor your browsing activity if supported. This can be very useful if you're trying to improve productivity, reduce distractions, and simply understand your daily computer habits. Before you begin, make sure screen time is enabled on your Mac, and if screen time is turned off, app and website activity won't collect or display any information. So if you'd also like to view your app and website activity, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Screen Time, and now here in the right side pane in Activity section, click on App and Website Activity. Now here you will see your overall screen time at the top of the page, along with a graph that shows your usage throughout the day or week. Below the graph, you will find the list of apps along with the amount of time you have spent using each app. You can also use the search box to quickly find a specific app in the list if needed. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.